In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features available on this OPPO. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and choose System Settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select the keyboard and tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to turn off or on one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!